Hi, my name is Rico Gonzalez with At Coastal Realty. We are Mr. and Mrs. 757. So it looks like that you had your offer accepted, your inspection repairs have been negotiated. Now it's time for your lender to order the appraisal. We have one of the best lenders, our preferred lender, Angela Sebree from Tidewater Mortgage Services, that's going to cover what an appraisal is, what to expect, and more details on that.
My name is Angela Sebree with Tidewater Mortgage, and you are at the appraisal part of this process. What does that mean to you? The appraiser is going to go out to the house. They're going to look at the size of the house, how many rooms you have, and compare that to other homes that have sold in that neighborhood to make sure you are not overpaying for this home. It takes about 10 business days for the appraisal to come back. When the appraisal comes back, you'll get a copy of that appraisal. You'll get to see what other homes in that neighborhood have sold for and how it compares to the house that you're purchasing. So what happens if the appraiser brings in the house lower than you're actually purchasing it for? You have two options. You can actually pay the difference if you really wanted to, or the seller can lower the price of the house. With that, sometimes they'll lower what they're paying in closing cost. A lot of options there, but that's what Rico and Courtney will work out for you and help you on.
Awesome, thanks Angie. That was good information. So now you guys know what to expect as far as the appraisal goes. What we want to hear is that we're on value and that no required repairs are necessary. Sometimes the appraiser comes in and when he gives us a true market value, sometimes there's also repairs that may be needed. And in that case, the sellers have agreed per contract, a standard contract, to take care of a certain amount of money worth of repairs. If the repairs are extensive and they go outside of that agreed upon price point, then it becomes a negotiation piece. So if your value is not on tact or if there's repairs required, all that means is that we could possibly be going back to negotiations. And a good agent, whether on the sell side or on the buy side, should be able to detect what the obvious required repairs are going to be. Now obviously we're not appraisers, so we can't tell you exactly what they're going to require of us, but a good agent has enough information and enough experience to be able to tell us what they've experienced in the past and what we can kind of hope to avoid up front. So that's why you hire the professionals. So excited for you guys and hope all goes well with your appraisal.
It's actually going, it's...
Come on, why do we do this?
I just need to mentally recap. Perfect.
I got nothing else.
Good job, girl.
Oh, God, I'm so bad at that.